ng gong, pinasinayanan ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ang pagdiriwang ng unang anibersaryo ng Banaan Provincial Museum. September 18, 2023 nang pasinayanan ang Banaan Pangasinan Provincial Museum na handog ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Pangasinan sa pamumuno ni Governor Ramon V. Gico III.
Under my administration, we conceptualized the Banaan Museum and nilagay po natin yung mga dapat na contents, nalagyan ng budget. Of course, with the support of the department heads, the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, nabigyan ng budget yan, and you have a very wonderful and beautiful museum for the province of Pangasinan. Congratulations to all of us Pangasinenses. Let me just remind all of us and inform all of us the gravity and the effect of having a well-thought-of museum for a town and a province at that. So it plays a lot in our national identity, in our patriotism, love for arts. We never forget the culture which we should preserve.
Panauhing pandangal sa pagdiriwang si National Commission for Culture and the Arts Executive Director, Dr. Eric Zerudo. Aniya, hanga siya sa pamumuno ni Governor Ramon V. Gico III sa pagpapahalaga niya sa mayamang kultura ng probinsya.
It was his pure political will, that decisiveness, that strength of character, that ensured that this would happen. I just hope that with this seminal but very powerful gesture of our governor, you should never waive. Continue to support your governor because this kind of cultural heritage passion, you should ride this wave. It is rare to have this kind of a leader, a visionary, who will invest into the future. This is very forward-looking.
Ang pagdiriwang ay pinamagatang pamagalang na layuning itampok ang iba't ibang kultura ng mga katutubo sa lalawigan gaya ng kanilang mga kasuotan, litrato, kagamitan at iba pa. Makikita ito sa Asin Gallery ng museo at magtatagal hanggang sa ika-30 ng Nobyembre. Ibinida rin ang paglulunsad ng Gawad Afsionil Jose Literary Writing Contest at ang kasama't patronage card na layong mahikayat pa ang publiko na bumisita sa museo. Kalakip ng card na ito ang mga special access at privileges sa mga kaganapan at exhibit sa Banaan Museum. Ang mga unang kasama't patronage card owners ay sina Governor Ramon V. Gico III, Vice Governor Mark Ronald Lambino, Provincial Administrator Melicio Patagi II at Lingayen Mayor Leopoldo Batawil. Pinarangalan din ang mga museum patrons, mga individual at mga institusyong tumulong upang makapanghikayat ng mas maraming bisita. Ang programa ay dinaluhan ni na Vice Governor Mark Ronald Lambino, board members Sheila Baniked, Marinor de Guzman, Jerry Ahirico Rosario at Nicolay Jan Sison at iba't ibang mga department heads ng pamahalaang panlalawigan. Valerie Dismaya para sa Luzon Headlines.